If the contacts that are present in your iPhone has suddenly disappeared, then what you do, go to settings here, tap on the name at the top, iCloud, and if you see there is a contact button here, make sure it is enabled. The other thing that you can do is you can disable this contact button, then select again cancel so as to re-enable. Now the other thing that you can do is, if you have synced the contact from Gmail account to your iPhone, then go to settings again, go to mail, go to accounts, and here it will show you all the Gmail accounts that you have added. So what you do, open the Gmail account, and same here also you have to disable the contact button, then again select cancel to re-enable again. Now the last thing that you can do is, you can go to this contact application, go to groups, and make sure that you have selected all these options. If you don't select, you can see the contact will be hidden. So go to groups and select everything that is present here, and then done, so that you can see the contacts again.